Hey guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching. Today's video is going to be my 10-minute everyday morning cleaning routine. As a busy working mom, I just don't have the time to spend a whole day cleaning, whether it's during the week or even on the weekends. So I came up with this easy 10-minute morning routine that allows me to get stuff done, keep my house clean with only 10 minutes every single morning. So I wanted to share this with you guys for any of you out there who are also busy working moms as well, so that you can also have a nice clean house without spending a ton of time keeping up with it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing. I make new videos every single week, so there's always something new to watch. But I'm gonna share with you guys my easy 10-minute everyday morning routine, so please keep watching.
So the very first thing that I like to do is to make my bed. I find that it makes the whole room look a whole lot better. And who doesn't like jumping into a freshly made bed at night? Once I finish making my bed, I move on to the bathroom, and I always wait until after I'm done getting dressed because, as you can see, my makeup and everything is everywhere. I make sure to put everything back in its proper place, and then I will remove all of the things off of the countertop so I can spray that down with my multi-purpose cleaner from Mrs. Meyer's. Once I'm finished wiping down the sink, I then spray the mirror down with some Windex and wipe it down with a paper towel. Now it's time to head downstairs, and if you missed my nighttime cleaning routine, I will leave that linked down below, but I actually pre-schedule my laundry. So really all I'm doing is taking the load out of the washer and putting that into the dryer. So by the time I get home, everything has been fully dried. So really the last thing that I do is to put all of the dishes away. Also in my nighttime cleaning routine, I like to wash all of my dishes at night. So really the only thing I have to do is put everything back in its proper place.
So that was my everyday 10-minute cleaning routine. It has been such a game changer when it comes to keeping up with my household chores. If you enjoyed this video or found it to be helpful, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and comment down below and let me know if this is a routine that you think you can keep up with on an everyday basis. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.